Hey everybody, Sonic Carbon 21 here, and today I'm going to be reacting to Nature Cat's Delta Shrimpo by Acosta Films, 2007, VGCP. Anyways, let's get started. Oh, nice intro. Oh, this is like the SML movie, Delta Shrimpo.
Objective, searching to capture Shrimpo. Bring Shrimpo back to base to cook for dinner. Boogie was last seen sunbathing under a small pine tree. Good luck.
Ooh. That plane's black!
Hey, this is Woody!
Hey, it's Nature Cat! He really, it's perfect that Nature Cat's Woody, because Woody says, Chewy boy, and Nature Cat says, Tally-ho!
But if you look off into the distance over there by that pine tree, you see a Shrimpo.
I seen this in school. It was funny.
Because in Africa, the sun gives you the right UV light. And so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to parachute down and try to get him before he runs away. And I'm going to get him and eat him for supper. Pilot, take me a little lower. Yay!
Hey, it's Patrick as Tony.
Right, guys,
In my
I'm
version,
jumping.
I use Buster as Tony.
I'm gonna get you, Shrimpo. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, here it comes. Chewy boy!
Tally-ho!
Oh, look, a Shrimpo. Oh, I'm gonna eat it. Oh, I forgot my parachute.
Parachute. Oh, Patrick! Don't eat the Shrimpo!
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That was a good Shrimpo. I gotta go poop. No!
Tally-ho!
I think I dislocated my kneecap, my ankle, my boot, my coccyx, my buttocks. Oh man, this Shrimpo's gonna kill me one day. Chewy boy.
Tally-ho.
Mission failed. Chewy boy.
Okay, that was my reaction to Nature Cat's Delta Shrimpo and Mark's Costa Films. If you're watching this, can you please give me the transformation bird shout out? So, you know what to say? I'll toast, toast, toast. Bye.